Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to understand how to add IndiaMART leads or inquiries for travel, tourism and hotel business to Salesforce. So I run a travel and tourism business and we receive a lot of leads through our IndiaMART account. So now here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive new lead through my IndiaMART account, then I want to add the lead received to my Salesforce so that I can store all the lead details at one place. So here to automate this entire process, I need to connect my IndiaMART account with my Salesforce CRM, and here to build this connection, I'm going to use an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So as I've already mentioned in my introduction that I run a travel and tourism business and I get a lot of leads and inquiries through IndiaMART. So managing these leads manually can be time consuming and I don't want to miss out on potential customers. So by automatically adding IndiaMART leads to my Salesforce account, I can easily keep track of all inquiries in one place, follow up quickly and ensure that no lead slips through the cracks. This automation saves me time and helps me manage my sales pipeline more effectively, allowing me to focus on turning these inquiries into bookings for my business. So here to automate this entire process, I need to connect my IndiaMART account with my Salesforce account, and here to build this connection, I'm going to use an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software, and it connects all your favorite apps and makes them work together seamlessly. You can set it up to do things automatically like updating customer info across platforms or sending notifications when something important happens. It's really easy to use and saves you tons of time that you can spend on more important stuff. Plus, it keeps everything organized and error-free so you can focus on growing your business hassle-free. So this is the homepage of Pabbly Connect and you can visit it by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect. Here you can see two options that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection I need to create a workflow first. So for that I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as add IndiaMART leads or inquiries for travel, tourism and hotel business to Salesforce. And now I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select the folder as per your need. Also you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this learn more link given over here. And by clicking on it, it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. So now moving back to my Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So in my trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger application as IndiaMART. So IndiaMART is an online marketplace that connects buyers and sellers primarily for business and industrial products. It's like a massive digital directory where businesses can find suppliers for everything from machinery to office supplies. People use IndiaMART because it makes sourcing products and services easy, offering a wide range of options in one place. Whether a business looking to buy in bulk or a seller wanting to reach more customers, IndiaMART helps you to find the right match quickly and efficiently. So here in my IndiaMART trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger event as new leads, so that whenever I'm going to receive new leads through my IndiaMART account, then automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response, or you can say it automatically automatically this entire workflow is going to get triggered. And now here, after selecting my trigger event, you can see I have received a webhook URL. That means here I'm going to use this webhook URL to connect my IndiaMART account with Pabbly Connect. So here, following the instructions given below, firstly I'm going to copy this webhook URL. And here I've already logged in my IndiaMART account. So this is my IndiaMART account, and from here I'm going to click on this lead manager option given in the left side bar. And from here I'm going to click on this menu option given over here. And here under menu I'm going to select import export leads. Now here under import export leads I'm going to select push API. And here under push API integration, you can see it is asking me to select the source. So here by clicking on this drop down menu, you can see all the sources available over here. So from here, I'm going to select my source as other. And then here you can see it is asking me to enter the CRM platform name and webhook listener URL. So here for my CRM platform name, I'm going to enter the name as Pabbly Connect. And here for the webhook listener URL, I'm going to enter the webhook URL that I've received in my Pabbly's workflow. And now here, after entering both the required details, I'm going to click on the save details given over here. And now here it is asking me to select the reason that why I want to transfer my IndiaMART leads to any other CRM. So here by clicking on this drop down menu, you can see some random reasons available. So here I'm going to select a particular reason that says I feel that I can permanently save the leads from IndiaMART and view later. And now here, after selecting this particular reason, I'm going to click on this click to generate OTP. And now here it is asking me to enter the OTP that I have received on my phone. So I'm going to enter the OTP. And now here, after entering the OTP, I'm going to click on this submit given over here. And here you can see we have successfully set up a webhook inside our IndiaMART account. That means we have successfully connected our IndiaMART account to Pabbly Connect. So now moving back to my Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to generate a test lead in our IndiaMART account. So here to generate a test lead, let me take you back to my IndiaMART account. And here in my IndiaMART account, to generate a test lead, I'm going to click on this test your webhook listener URL button given over here. So here by clicking on this particular button given over here, I'm going to receive a test response to my webhook URL. That means I'm going to receive a test response in my Pabbly's workflow. So here I'm going to click it, and then I'm going to click on this test button. And here you can see we have received the curl request header. That means we have successfully sent a test response to our Pabbly's workflow. That means to this webhook URL. So now let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have successfully received a test response over here where we have received the status as success. And here you can see the response subject as requirement for empty mineral water bottle. So here I've received the subject as requirement for empty mineral water bottle because here I've done a test submission. But here, as you know, that I am running a business for travel and tourism company. So here if you're receiving the live leads in your IndiaMART account, then you will receive this response accordingly. So as you know, this is the test response. So now let's check more details of this response. So here you can see the sender state, pin code, phone number, name, mobile number. Scrolling little down, here you can see the sender's email, country code, sender's company name, sender's city and sender's address also. So scrolling little more down, and lastly here you can see the query product name, that is mineral water bottle, and the query message as I want to purchase an empty mineral water bottle, kindly send me price and other details, quantity, piece, order value, probable requirement type. So here you can see we have received the query message for empty mineral water bottle because here we have done a test submission. So again here I'm telling you that if you're receiving live leads in your IndiaMART account, then you will receive the live lead response over here. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger over here. So now once we have received new leads to our IndiaMART account, I want to add the new lead received to my Salesforce so that I can store all the lead details at one place. So for that, here in this action step, I'm going to select my action application as Salesforce. So Salesforce is a cloud-based platform that helps businesses manage their customer relationships. It's like a one-stop shop for tracking leads, sales, and customer interactions all in one place. People use Salesforce because it makes it easy to stay organized, automate tasks, and provide better customer service. Whether you're managing sales, marketing, or support, Salesforce helps teams work together, keep track of important details, and build stronger relationships with customers, making it a favorite for businesses of all sizes. So now here in my Salesforce action step, I'm going to select my action event as create a lead. so that whenever I'm going to receive new leads through my IndiaMART account, then automatically that lead should be created as a new lead in my Salesforce account. And now here to connect my Salesforce with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Again, here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Salesforce account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Salesforce. And here you can see Pabbly Connect is requesting for the access. So here I'm going to give access to Pabbly Connect by clicking on this allow button given over here, as your data is secured with Pabbly. Authorization successful. So here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me for the last name, first name and some other details over here. So here instead of entering the data manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I've received in my trigger step. Mapping makes the text dynamic so that whenever we are going to receive new leads through our IndiaMART account, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here I'm going to search for my lead's name. So this is my lead's name. So here I'm going to map it. Moving forward, here for the first name, again here I'm going to map my lead's name only. So this is my lead's name, scrolling little down. Here for the title, it is not a required field, so here I'm going to leave it blank. And here for the company name, I'm going to search for the company name. So this is my lead's company name, so here I'm going to map it. Moving forward, here for the phone number, I'm going to search for the phone number. So this is my lead's phone number. Moving forward, here for the email, I'm going to search for my lead's email. So this is my lead's email. So moving forward, and again this website and description is not a required field, so here I'm going to leave it blank. Here for the lead source, I'm going to select web only, status as open, scrolling little down, rating as hot, and then here it is asking me for the street, city and country. So again these fields are not a required field, so here I'm going to leave them blank. But if you want to add any other detail, then you can do it as per your need. And now here after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received the successful response. That means we have successfully created a new lead in our Salesforce account. So now let's go and check it. Here I'm going to refresh it. And here you can see we have successfully created a new lead in our Salesforce account with the same name. Here you can see the company name, lead status, lead source. Here you can see the phone number, email and rating as well. So with this, we have successfully set up our automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken our trigger as IndiaMART and our action as Salesforce. So that whenever we are going to receive new leads through our IndiaMART account, then automatically that lead is going to add as a new lead in our Salesforce account. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any query, then you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, then you can simply visit our website, that is www.pabbly.com. So now if you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.